today's video, I'm going to be checking out for the first time ever. This is a Cluppo. Yeah, Cluppo. It's I believe I follow BAND-MAID on Instagram, so I believe this is Miku Kobato's like solo project. She released the first song Peace and Love. I've never checked it out, and she released it on April Fool's. So that's why I didn't check it out, because I don't know. I thought it wouldn't like happen, be something consistent. But now she has released a second single, which I also haven't seen. And I was like, before I check out that single, I want to check out this one. So if you want to check out more of Miku Cluppo, make sure to smash like, subscribe. Let's go. What is that? Wow, okay. Wow, okay. This already sounds amazing. And the video is so colorful. Is it in English? Oh no, it's not. She sounds great! You have to rewind that. You have to rewind that when she does the love heart and then she winks at you. Oh my God, that is the content I came for. That is the content I came for. I love it. It sounds so good. Oh my God. Is that a pigeon? Is that a pigeon? Let me pause just a bit. I have so much to say. I have so much to say. Number one, the production is fire. Fire. It is so good. It is so good. I could literally just play this and skip around my room like a happy little girl. Yeah, I could literally just put this on loop and just skip around the room like it's great production. Miku's vocals are so on point. Such a bright production as well. Very nice colors. Also, I wanted to say, this sounds nothing like BAND-MAID, but I hear a bit of BAND-MAID. Just a bit. Like, it sounds nothing like BAND-MAID. I can't say it should be in. Okay, I haven't listened to all BAND-MAID songs, but it sounds nothing like BAND-MAID. But there's a bit of BAND-MAID. Just a bit, especially like in the happy girl. Yeah, I'm pretty sure there's some BAND-MAID songs that have like catchy hooks like that. But otherwise, great production, great guitar. Yeah, there's a bit of like hard rock. I know it's J-pop. This is definitely J-pop, but there's a bit of like hard rock guitar in it. Just a bit, just a bit. I love it so much. I feel so bad, but now is when I'm checking it out. I have to go back. She sounds so kawaii. Nice. You see that riff, that's a BAND-MAID thing. I mean, I'm not saying it's exclusive to BAND-MAID, but BAND-MAID have done something like that before. I'm sure Kanami taught Miku to do something like that. Yeah. Patience will save your life. So cool. That is that is so cool. Oh my god, that is so cool. I also wanted to say that is very bubblegum. You know what I mean by very bubblegum? It's very bright and poppy. It's a happy, you know, make you feel happy type song. And you know, typically songs that are geared towards making you feel happy and bubblegum do not have nice lyrics. But also the lyrics very catchy, very catchy. I feel so bad I've not listened to this before. Like I said, it has just it sounds just a sprinkle of BAND-MAID in it, but sorry, but it does not belong in BAND-MAID's catalog at all. It sounds nothing like BAND-MAID, but it also has just a bit of just a bit sprinkled, just a little bit of BAND-MAID magic from BAND-MAID. Yeah. Oh my god, I don't know why I'm coughing, but yeah. If you enjoyed this video and you want me to check out more Cluppo, they released a second track, so I'm planning to check it out. I mean, I don't know why I'm coughing. I mean, I think I'm just so blown away by the song. Yeah. I think I mean, BAND-MAID was formed by Miku, so I think she would have like just a little bit of that sound in there, but this definitely would not have fit in with BAND-MAID, because BAND-MAID is more hard rock, and this is more like J-pop. Yeah, if you want to check out more Cluppo, make sure to smash like, subscribe. I really enjoyed this. It's really made my day. Probably the best reaction, probably the best thing I've reacted to today. Yeah, because I tend to like batch shoot some of these videos. So yeah, this is definitely one of the best. And if you want to check out more, make sure to smash like, subscribe, and then I'll see you in the next reaction. Peace.